time is 8:33 p.m. in Europe. Okay. Let me reset the chart and then we'll see. Okay. Let's analyze BTC and some alts and where the market can go in next few days. We can analyze it here and then try to predict. Okay. So first, as usual, we start from monthly because it's been 3 days since the monthly candle close of BTC and the others. So we can start by adding supports. Okay. You just have to listen and here you go. So these are the monthly supports, right? So as you see from here, this is the 2021 high, this same candle, and we reject from here. Then we push again towards this resistance, and then we make an all-time high, we break it. Now we created the all-time high, and if someone is still waiting to buy the Bitcoin here, you need to be concerned. You don't need to be FOMOing here because this is 700% rally from the all-time low in 2 years. So you have to be careful to buy here. Okay, I'm not talking about long-term investments. I'm just talking about the trade swings. Okay, so this is the analysis of on monthly. Okay, so this is our monthly support. I can write it down here. It's like, okay, so here I can write 1 MSR. This is a 1 month SR. Now, the simplest answer of all your queries and questions. This is the new bridge of bull market and bear market. The moment you close one weekly candle here, we are going to see these levels. Okay. I'm not trying to afraid you guys, but whatever the fact is, I'm explaining the charts. Okay. So this is okay. Now, what you're going to see here, this is the clear higher low. We have price action, we have everything you can see on the weekly. We are still okay. We are still fine, right? And this is the trend line. I just use trend line as liquidity tools. Here, there is some kind of orders and liquidity sitting. I am observing. Okay, so we can see one more push towards this side because you see there is a gap on this candle and it is a higher low, but I am expecting a wick here. Okay, so this is the analysis on weekly time frame. Now, let me open 1 day. Okay, so as you see, 1 day, this is still, higher low on weekly, and the daily, if I check it again, here is the support, and this is the resistance. Okay, so it's kind of a bull flag to me, but instead of breaking up, it break down. So what we are gonna expect from here? That is the real question, right? Because everyone wants to make money, everyone wants to be, wants to trade. So we'll see. First of all, this was a gap and this got filled. Okay. And this is the basic support and resistance, the range. And this is the second range, you can just say. Via trend line, if you see. Okay. So, and it looks like a wedge. We can make 2 to 3 types of wedges. So if this weekly candle close under this wedge, we are still fine. No need to worry about anything. If we broke down, like let's suppose here, still okay, but I'm a little bit concerned here. Okay, then we can reach lower levels. So for now, we are fine. There are few hours left in the daily close. I think 5 hours, 20 minutes. So we are still okay. Okay. So what I am doing here, what I'm gonna do, what I can like expect from here, how I'm gonna manage my trade. So what I'm expecting is daily in, if you just remove this structure and now you see it's higher high, higher low, it's lower low. Now you have to press a lower high. If you are a day trader or like if you see the daily candles, then it's a lower low, right? But I'm going to tell you something here. When the price break this higher high and higher low, you make the liquidity here and here. This price swept and then swept this side of liquidity. Now price broke down, swept this side of liquidity again, right? Then price go up and swept this side liquidity. So it means here it's kind of distribution. Okay, this is the kind of distribution zone. So same like here your liquidity is building and it took it, then here, then here, then here. So now all these buy side liquidity took it, you see, by this major deviation. So I still think this is the deviation, fake out to manipulate and to make fear in the market. So in the clear way, if market close above this level, like 114, I'm fine. I have no problem. I'm not concerned. So, and this daily looks also like a reversal pattern. Okay. This week got filled. This is also good. This week got filled. Obviously, this is good. So for me, everything looks good, bullish. There's no need to worry. What I am expecting the worst case. What I think is like it needs to retest this level, like 109, and then like go to upsides, like this these highs. Okay, take the liquidity from these highs. Okay, we'll see. So now the trade plan. There are two trade plans. It is kind of inverse head and shoulder. If you just think left shoulder, head, and kind of right shoulder is in process, like that. So if price holds this level, I'm gonna take one buy from here. Minimum target is 170. Stop loss under this. This is the 4 hour based on 4 hour time frame. Now, if we talk like swing trade, then my main orders are sitting here 109, and I can target the upper highs like these highs because I'm still expecting the all-time high in BTC. No need to worry. So what is my stop loss? Stop loss under this 100 and like 500. Okay. So this is my analysis on BTC. If I check on the smaller time frames, it looks good. Higher, like it's inverse head and shoulder. Yes, it's good. So this is an analysis of BTC. Now BTC dominance. BTC dominance, it is clearly higher high, higher lows, and this is lower low, structure break, and I'm expecting the push as I mentioned here towards this level or towards this resistance. Okay, this is still resistance, but I'm expecting one more push towards upside, almost 64%, and then drop down. So this is our alt season, and I think this is the top. This is the top because we don't have the time left. By like we are near by the end of this year. So I think this is the top. Yeah. In CME futures, there was a gap here. It got fulfilled. And I think there is no need to like worry here. So review on the chart. This is Ethereum. You see, if you see the weekly candle, it's just almost fill the gap and looks like close above this level 35.11. Okay, the moment we close here, then I can expect the price will go to this level. Not gonna lie, to 700, because this is the, you see, this resistance is from last 4 years. This is not easy to break. So now it's getting weak because everything has a time. You can see if I open monthly, number one, number two, now weekly. So you see, okay, this is the like first, then it broke first time. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My friends, it's weak, weak as fuck. So what I'm expecting, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to break at some point. And what this pattern is. Some people think it's gonna make inverse head and shoulder. No, it's a three drive pattern. You see, 1, 2, 3. It is more deeper. So what I'm expecting from this coin is at least, let me straight it. Oh, sorry. Okay, where this bringing us? 6,000 almost. Okay, so this is Ethereum. You don't need to be scared. You don't need to worry about anything. We are still in the cycle. And for the short term, what can we expect? You see, okay, let me draw some levels for you guys. Okay, and this is the level. Finally, okay. So when price go aggressively from, if this is the accumulation and this is expansion, this is again accumulation, this is expansion. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you here, price go in expansion, okay, in days. Okay, now price has to range some for a bit, right? So 1 week, 2 weeks, it's still bullish because it is still in accumulation zone. Okay, whales don't buy here and sell it here. They don't exit early. They have to make money. They have to generate. It's been 15 days since it's like rallied up. They don't accumulate for, like, you see, from May till July, May, June, July, 3, 4 months, and to sell it here? No, I don't think so. So what I'm expecting is, if this level holds, good. If price come till 3,000, 2,900, I'm still bullish. So what you have to do is, like, you have to manage the positions, like not go high, like aggressive here at current price, because last time Eric Trump tweeted at the top, you see, maybe here, and the price drops till 1,300 something or 1,400. So now it tweeted here again. So I don't trust them, but still we have to look at the charts, not them. Okay. So what I can expect is, this is good for me. I am adding one position here. Second worst case is there. Here I can go maximum all in kind of thing. So why I am building these positions? What is my target? As I told you, this is the fifth time, 4-year resistance, it is weak. 3 drive pattern, 5 time taps the resistance. Now it's weak. Now it has to burst towards upside aggressively. You cannot, like, you don't have the time. You can just say, oh, I can add now, I can add now in a pullback. You see this aggression, it's going to happen like that here as well. So worst case, 2800, 2900. Best case, what I am trying to do is I'm trying to add my 50% positions here. Stop loss, I'm not adding a stop loss here. Maximum here, okay? For this is the stop loss. So I think this is it, guys. If you have any questions, ask in the comments and do let me know how's the session. Okay, thank you so much.